Okay, so guys, these are my favorite Rubik's Cubes part 1. So guys, this is my favorite Rubik's Cube. This 2x2x4 Rubik's Cube. It kinda looks difficult, but it looks fun. And this is my second favorite Rubik's Cube, this Axis Cube. So guys, kinda look difficult, but it looks fun because this shape shifts and makes this shape. And guys, it says OC on it. What the hell? Okay, now this is my third favorite Rubik's Cube. This is my Rubik's Twist. I can make some fun shapes like these animals, rockets, giraffes, pictures, and more. So you can make anything with this Rubik's Twist. So I like to make this every day. And then this is kind of easy. But I'm practicing on some harder ones. Okay, now this is my favorite Rubik's Cube, this Rubik's Phantom. Look at this. This is a temperature heat sensor Rubik's Cube. You know why? If you put this in the refrigerator, the colors will appear black, but then you can make the colors appear again by rubbing it with your body heat. Look, the colors are peeling. So this looks like a dirty Rubik's Cube because this Rubik's Cube looks dirty to me, but it's not. I don't know why this is so unreal. Look, this is so unreal. Look. You see the colors appeared. Now this is my favorite Rubik's Cube, this 3x3. I can make a checkerboard pattern or at least do some tricks on the 3x3 like this. Now that's the end. Okay guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.